Welcome to Mercy's Designs. My name is Mercy and I demonstrate Stampin' Up! Products. I am so excited today to share with you about a new club I am starting with my upline. And what we're doing is technique cards. Now this is a monthly club where you place a qualifying order and you get technique cards. And if your order is over $35, then you get these two cards. If your order is over $60, you get these card fronts in addition. So with your first order, you will also be getting a personalized label. So this would mat onto whatever color. If you want to let me know what color you would want, I would be happy to personalize it further. What I did for my box is I put it in this oversized index box, and so I like purple, so I did gorgeous grape. So that's what I did, and I got this off of Amazon. I'd be happy to share a link. I'm not sure how well it will hold up, but it works. Okay, so more about the club. All right, so this is pretty much a risk-free club. You would place an order with Stampin' Up! Using my host code, and there will be no chance of me ripping you off or anything like that. It's basically just a reward club. So all you would have to do is place your qualifying order. The option 1 reward is $35 before shipping and tax of Stampin' Up! Products using the host code. And then you would receive the 2 technique cards. Then option 2 is you place an order of $60 and you get the 2 technique cards plus the card fronts. So it would be 4 things in the mail, mailed directly to you. Now, when you place your order, make sure you do not put no contact, because if you do that, I will not know where to ship it to. All right, so if you had any questions, I'd be happy to answer that. I will also put some of this information in the description below so you can have a better idea. The other thing I wanted to mention is this is a no penalty. So once you join the club, you can skip a month. We're not going to penalize you for that. We want you to order from Stampin' Up! Because you love their products, not because you have to keep up in order to get these technique recipe cards. So every month will be a little different. The theme for this month was DSP. The DSP will vary, but it will stick with a card pack. So as you can see, this is a little different pattern than this one, but the main thing is it will demonstrate what technique we're using. So that part, we will try to definitely be using current products, but occasionally when a catalog is transitioning, you will get something that maybe is going out. So this is Best Dressed DSP, and that is going out. But again, we're in catalog transition. So I have this covered, but under here is step-by-step instructions on how to make this mask. And I think it's really cute. And this sentiment is from the Share Sunshine Give Back. And this is a PDF that Stampin' Up! Is offering right now until mid-June, I believe. So you don't want to miss that. So just breathe, but wear your mask is part of that. Now the other thing I wanted to discuss was this DSP share that we're doing. So the cost is $28 plus $6 for shipping. What you would get is the 7 different styles, 7 different patterns of the DSP from the annual catalog for Stampin' Up. It's not all of them. You can see which ones here if you have any questions about that. The price is pretty low, as you can see, and you will get a small sample of the enamel dots. So that is another thing that you could use to earn, to go towards, it would count towards your amount that you would be having to spend if you want to do the technique club. So I hope that all makes sense. Thank you for your time and watching, and I hope you would consider this club. It is basically risk-free, when you place your order, you would be using my host code, and I will list that in the description, and you will be filling it out at checkout. I do not have my own website through Stampin' Up, but I would get credit and I still get your contact information. It's just not quite as slick of a presentation as a lot of demonstrators have. Why I don't have a website? Well, I am just starting off, so I do not feel like at this point I can afford the monthly fee to have the website, but this is completely legitimate. It's not wrong. Stampin' Up just encourages you to spend a little more. And I will eventually, hopefully, do that. But for now, this is the way it would work. So I will bring in that one sample here. Again, if you have any questions, please email me at mewants3@gmail.com and I will help answer those. I hope you will consider joining my technique club. It's, again, pretty much risk-free, so if you want to help someone who's just starting off, I would be really honored to be your demonstrator. Happy stamping!